Well guys, this is Rick with Here You Go Again. We're inserting the grill in our JK Unlimited Wrangler Freedom Edition. So we're just going to go through what we have thought would work best. So my son David and I are tackling this project. So if you could see in here, these little
cords.
Well, inside the grill, inside the slots are little tabs that you can take and put zip ties to. So we've put 4 on the bottom. As you can see there at the bottom, we just wrapped it through the grill. The grill holes are pretty small.
It's hard to get them through.
Yeah, it's a little tedious and a little difficult, especially for large hands, but a little perseverance, you could get through. Zip ties seem to be holding it really, really well. So you just got to get it where you want it, and it seems to work well. I've read online where people were just putting it inside the grill and leaving it. I didn't really want to do that, so David and I tackled this little project with some zip ties, set of pliers, and flathead screwdriver, and we'll come back here with the finished project. Okay, here we go. We finished some more zip ties. Had a little injury of the finger, didn't we, buddy?
Yeah.
But it's a tight space to work in, but
it's hard whenever you're doing the last one with all the zip ties and you can't get it through.
Our zip ties were so small, it didn't leave us a lot of room. So we're just going to cut these, trim them off. You want to trim a couple, David?
Yeah.
All right, so let's switch.
Yeah. So, where? It's hard to.
So David is So David is trimming them up here, bud. I'll take it.
There you go.
Making it a little bit neater in there. So hopefully this will hold it in place, and
Got it. One more.
don't cut it too close.
I'm trying not to. I'm
Okay.
trying to cut it like right here.
There you go.
Because if you cut it too close, then it would be harder to get it out.
All right, so go ahead and put the clips in, bud.
Look it up like this. There.
All right, guys. As David is putting the rest of the clips in to hold the grill in. He's a pretty good helper. He's a pretty good helper, especially when you need some smaller hands.
Small.
Hey, don't force it.
I'm not getting that one till. Wait, did I drop one? Oh no, I didn't. I thought I did. Okay, let me try
Just
that.
gotta look at it and line it up.
It's lined up. There we go. Now this last one.
Okay.
Done.
All right, as David's doing the hood lashes.
There we go.
Here's our final project. What do you think, David?
Yay!
Looks pretty awesome, I think.
You know what looks weird?
What?
It cuts off some parts.
Yeah. It's the grill.
Should
Much.
only make a line.
It looks really good with the Oscar mic. Pretty happy with it.
And the edition that we did.
Yeah.
The Freedom Edition.
Yeah, looks good. Let us know what you think. I hope this helps. Subscribe to our channel and give us a like, and we'll see you later.